So, email safety. Phishing, you might have heard this term. Um, Phishing, which is similar to fishing in a lake, but instead of trying to capture fish, fishers attempt to steal your personal information. Phishing emails that are sent out appear to come from legitimate websites, such as popular retail stores, banks, financial institutions. Many times, these phishing email scams will ask you or will state that your account has been compromised or someone has hacked into your account. They may ask you for you to enter your email or your username, your password. Some go even further. Some will say, your Chase credit card has been hacked. Type in, reply with your credit card number and your social security number, and we'll take care of it. It's all a scam. No legitimate business is ever going to ask you to send them personal information through email. They just simply won't do it. If they do, don't do it. And when you receive an email from a questionable email, check the address of where the email's coming from. I've got a couple of short videos, and then I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly.
Phishing emails are a form of spam that attempt to trick people into providing personal information. Sometimes these fraudulent emails can look pretty official. Here are a couple of things to watch out for. Be careful about emails that ask for sensitive information. Most legitimate businesses will never ask for information like your bank account or social security number via email. Make sure the sender's address matches who the email appears to come from. You can click Show Details to see the sender's actual address. In this case, this email looks like it's from someone from Google, but the email address doesn't look very official. If it were really from Google, it would have been sent from someone at google.com. Lastly, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Think twice before replying to any email that asks you for personal information.
You've probably seen it. You receive an email from your bank or trusted company, and it's asking you for information. It looks real, but it's designed to fool you into handing over important information. This is a scam called phishing, and you need to avoid it. Most of us have gotten used to doing business online. We buy and sell things. We have accounts with sensitive information. The risk of doing business online is low, as long as you deal directly with organizations you trust. Problems occur when criminals impersonate these organizations and fool you into handing over sensitive information like account numbers, passwords, and PIN numbers. The key to avoiding this scam is awareness. Here's one example. You receive an email that looks like a trustworthy message from a bank. It asks you to click a link to verify information. You assume it's legit, so you click the link and log into what appears to be your bank's website. At this point, the scam is complete. You've handed over your bank password to the crooks who can use it to take your money. Boo! They were able to fool you by impersonating the bank's website. There are a few keys to detecting phishing emails. They often try to scare you by saying your account has been accessed or security has been compromised. They also insist that you click a link to verify information or fill out a form. Do not click links or fill out forms in suspicious emails. The email may also have misspellings and call you something like valued customer. The crooks don't know your name. Remember, phishing emails may use the exact same logos, phone numbers, and addresses that appear on your statements or bills. Always be suspicious of an email that asks for your information. No exceptions. If you receive a phishing email, stay calm. There's no risk to receiving it. Just delete it. You can also safely report it by forwarding it to reportphishing@antiphishing.org or spam@uce.gov. If an email does lead you to a suspicious website, remember to look at the web address. The address in your browser should look familiar. If you suspect that criminals have your information, immediately contact organizations where you have accounts. To protect yourself in the long run, you might also consider anti-phishing software. Further, check your online accounts and credit reports regularly, and quickly report anything that is out of place. Phishing scams are a growing threat on the internet. By being aware of the scam, you can feel confident in working with companies online. Yay!
I actually have a folder that I created over here called Scams and Phishing. So let me show you some of these that I've received. I actually received an email from one of my in-home students asking me what I thought this email that he received was legitimate. So let me, this is my friend, or this is one of my students, Bill Pruitt. He said, "Hi, Daniel, holiday cheers. Just checking with you to see if you think this is a wise expense." So he got this email below here. And it says, "This is to inform you that your annual membership for your Nort Xfinity software needs to be renewed for $437. Okay. He doesn't have Nort Xfinity software because it doesn't exist. It sounds like Norton. Okay, Norton is a very popular antivirus software, but it's Nort. So what I would automatically do is I go up and I see who it's coming from. If this is coming from a legitimate business, it wouldn't be coming from some name Pearly Hamill at 7753@gmail.com. That's not legitimate. Let me show you another one here. Oh, great thing about Gmail is Gmail keeps track, Google keeps track of fraudulent emails. So if there's a very popular fraudulent email out there, they will flag it for you. So I received this email in my inbox and it said, "Hey, we just want to let you know this email might be dangerous." Again, I look at the email address of who it's coming from. I don't recognize this at all. If I don't recognize it, I'm not gonna do anything with it. Oh, this is an email. This is a scam email I got. The subject of this email is "Your love won't like it," and it says, "Sorry for disturbing. Your partner cheats on you with my boss. I can send you their photos if you pay me $230. I've created a Bitcoin address, blah, 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 blah. Don't tell anybody that you received this message. I don't want to be catched." So right off the bat, there's misspellings. And secondly, at the time I got this email in 2019, I wasn't married. So I know it's not true. Okay. But the what I'm always looking at is I'm looking at who it's coming from. Always look, and lots of times you'll get an email that says, "Oh, from Rebecca." I know Rebecca, but it might not be the Rebecca that you know. So always look at the email address of who it's coming from. There's the email address. I do not recognize this Rebecca. For more information on group or private in-home instruction, please visit my website, danielteaches.com, or you can call me at 585-902-8450, or email me at daniel@danielteaches.com.